Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. And then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right of the app to open up your TikTok profile from there. And then select 3 horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Once it opens, select Settings and Privacy. And then once in the Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy here. Here simply scroll down, and at the bottom you'll see Blocked Accounts. And simply select Blocked Accounts. And then once Blocked Accounts loads, just find the person you want to unblock. And select Unblock next to their name. Once you do that, it'll then confirm that it unblocked them. That means you have now unblocked that person on TikTok. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.